What's up, ladies and gentlefolks? This is Cece back with part 2 on how to navigate the Depop app. Today, I'll just be going into a little bit of detail on how to actually sell your items, but I did just want to give this quick disclaimer about the email I received yesterday. So, if you haven't recently updated the app, they sent an email out to everybody just letting you guys know that the way you can accept payments or make payments now has been expanded. I know, super great news. So it's not just limited to PayPal. So now if you will use Apple Pay, Google Pay, credit or debit cards, they have now updated the app so you can use all these methods of payments. And I believe that if you have already sold things on here, you should just sign up for it just to be safe going forward into 2022. But I just wanted to give that quick disclaimer. If you already are an avid Depop user, you probably already received this and are already ahead of the game. But just in case you didn't get it, hop on that and we will get into the video. So I actually start right back at the home page. So in order to list any items that you're getting ready to sell, you'll go to that little middle icon that kind of looks like a house. You'll click on that. You'll hit list an item. And you'll see at the top it has the 4 little camera icons, so you can take as many pictures as the Depop app will allow. And it also give you the option to capture a video of the item in case the pictures don't do it justice. And then right under that you can put the description of what you're selling, the category of what the item would fall under. You can just pick that. And I do want to get into the condition part. It is very, very vitally important that you're as honest as possible about the condition of the item that you're selling. So if you know it's been like used a couple of times, they have the option for you to pick if it's like new, used good, used fair. You don't want to give somebody an item and it's not in the condition that you stated, because that will affect your ratings as a seller on Depop. And eventually, if you keep selling items that aren't advertised the way you say they are, it'll affect your money and also Depop allowing you to sell items. So be as honest as possible about the condition of the items that you're selling. And then right up under that, you can put the price of the item, the color of it, and you can actually click on it. It'll give you an option of colors. Or if it's an item with a bunch of colors, they just have the multi option, which is pretty cool. And you can add the style of it, if it's vintage or, the time periods from. Completely up to you, but just make the item description as descriptive as possible to the seller and to the buyer as well. So once an item is sold, you can actually keep tabs of the item, the shipping and all that, and keep these buyer updated in the message center. So anytime you sell something and the person has questions, you can just go right here. And also, if you want to see how your page looks to the buyer, you can just click on that little icon that I just tapped on, and this is how your page will look to somebody who's potentially going to buy one of your items. As you guys can see, I am an avid Starbucks cup collector, so if you guys need cups for the holidays, just let me know. And I got y'all. But anytime you sell an item, the nice thing about Depop is it'll automatically update on your page that this particular item is sold out. And anytime you see any of the yellow tags on an item, that just indicates that the item's discounted. So as you can see, I discounted a few of my cups for Black Friday purposes, but I'm probably just going to keep them that price going into the holidays. So again, if you guys are looking for cups, let your girl know, and I got y'all. And also, the other nice thing about Depop is that if you sell an item, you can actually give a review to the buyer about your service with them, and the buyer can give their feedback about their service with you. So those are just a few tips that I wanted to point out about selling your items. So I really just want to stress how important it is that the condition of the item is as honest as possible, because if you get low reviews, Depop will just be like, yeah, no, you gotta go. So just make sure that you and the buyer are both on the same page, and if you guys give each other good reviews, you can locate it right here on the review section and just look at it for the time being and see where you can improve, or you know, keep the smiles and the stars as high as possible. So that's just a little bit of the selling portion. I may do a part 3 on if you have to actually do a return or anything like that. So if you guys enjoy this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be making a part 3 if this video gets at least 10 likes. Hope y'all have a great rest of the day. Happy holidays, and definitely hit me up if y'all need a Starbucks cup. Just saying.